खिदमत से खुदा।
Every day, countless people pass through struggles that few ever notice. Some are fighting financial hardships, some are carrying emotional burdens, some are simply waiting for someone to listen. Yet, among these stories are people who choose not to look away, people who make time, people who care, people who step forward when help is needed, not for recognition or applause, but because they believe that humanity deserves compassion. This is the story of a journey built on service, a journey shaped by faith, strengthened by people, and inspired by one simple belief that when we serve humanity sincerely, we move closer to our Creator. This is the story of the Arshad Salman Foundation. Every meaningful journey begins long before the world notices it. Before the foundation existed, before volunteers gathered, before initiatives reached communities, there was a young boy learning values that could guide the rest of his life. Values rooted in compassion, responsibility, faith, and concern for others. For Arshad Salman sir, helping people was never something reserved for special occasions. It became a part of who he was, a belief that every person deserves dignity, that every struggle deserves attention, and that service is among the purest forms of worship. Over time, those values grew into something much larger than one individual. They became a movement, a community, a family. Today, ASF stands as a reflection of that vision, a vision that remains unchanged to serve sincerely, to uplift people, and to seek the pleasure of Allah through service. Khidmat se Khuda. When people see an ASF initiative, they usually see the final outcome, the smiles, the photographs, the moments of joy. What they rarely see is everything that happens beforehand, the planning, the discussions, the coordination, the countless hours spent making sure help reaches the right people. Every initiative begins with conversations. Ideas are shared, problems are discussed, solutions are found together. And throughout that process, one thing becomes clear. ASF has never been built by one person working alone. It has been built through relationships, through trust, through people coming together for a common purpose. At the center of that journey is a leader who constantly reminds everyone that service is not about doing what is easy, it is about doing what is necessary, even when nobody is watching. Many people join ASF believing they are here to help others, and they do. But somewhere along the way, something unexpected happens. They begin changing themselves, not because they plan to, but because someone believed in them before they believed in themselves. For many members, ASF became more than an organization. It became a second home, a place where people were encouraged, corrected with kindness, guided through mistakes, and reminded that growth takes time. One of the most remarkable things about Arshad Salman sir is that his contribution is not measured only through financial support or initiatives. It is measured through time. The one thing people guard most carefully, yet he gives it generously. A conversation when someone feels lost, advice when decisions become difficult, encouragement when confidence begins to fade. Whether someone has been part of ASF for years or has recently joined, Sir treats them with the same warmth and concern, not as volunteers, not as team members, but as a family. Many people can support an initiative, few invest themselves in people, and that is why so many members describe ASF not simply as an organization but as a family brought together by someone who genuinely cares. When I first joined ASF, I thought I was here to help others. But over the years, it became much more than that for me. I have known and learned from Arshad Salman sir since I was in 9th standard. And now, as I am in my final year of engineering, I can honestly say that ASF has been a huge part of my journey. Sir has always been someone I could learn from, whether it was about responsibility, dealing with people, or simply becoming a better person. What I admire the most is that no matter how busy he is, he always makes time for others. He listens, guides, encourages, and genuinely wants to see every member of ASF and Ursul Hub grow. Being a part of ASF taught me that service is not just about helping people during events or drives, it's about having concern for others, taking responsibility, and doing things with sincerity. The lessons and values that I have learned through ASF and SIR are something I will carry with me for the rest of my life. The truth is, volunteers do not arrive already inspired, they do not arrive already confident. Many of them come with doubts, questions, uncertainty. What brings them together is the environment Arshad Salman Sir creates. His belief in people, his ability to recognize potential, his willingness to guide them patiently until they begin seeing it themselves. Over the years, countless young people have discovered confidence, purpose, and direction because someone took the time to believe in them. And that impact extends far beyond any single initiative. Service does not always arrive in the same form. For one family, it may be groceries during a difficult month. For another, it may be medical assistance during a moment of uncertainty. For a student, it may be the opportunity to continue an education that once seemed impossible. Sometimes it is financial support, sometimes it is guidance, sometimes it is simply knowing that someone cares. Over the years, Arshad Salman Foundation has touched lives through educational initiatives, medical aid, mentorship programs, ration drives, emergency support, and countless acts of kindness that often happen quietly, without headlines, without attention. Yet, behind every initiative is the same intention: to ease someone's burden, to restore hope, to remind people that they are not alone. Because compassion means little when it remains only an idea, its true value appears when it becomes an action. The impact of service cannot always be measured through numbers. Some impacts are deeply personal. A parent sleeping peacefully after receiving support, a student gaining confidence because someone believed in them, a volunteer discovering purpose through serving others. Across different communities, thousands of stories have become part of the ASF journey, each one unique, each one meaningful. The reviews, messages, and prayers received over the years tell a story far greater than statistics ever could. A story of people who felt supported during moments that mattered the most. Every message, every review, every prayer, a reminder that kindness leaves a mark long after the moment has passed.
हम अभी 13 साल से इधर बैठे हैं। अभी तक कोई भी हमको बुला के ऐसा राशन नहीं दिया है। अब 2025 में पहली बार हमको कोई बुला के राशन दे रहा है। ऐसा हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा। आगे भी ऐसा हमको हर महीना ऐसा मिलता था, हमको बहुत हेल्प करता है। इनको हम बहुत शुक्रिया बोलना चाहते हैं, बहुत थैंकफुल है जो हमको हेल्प कर रहे हैं, हमको बुला के राशन दे रहे हैं। अर्शद सलमान फाउंडेशन, थैंक यू। हम सब गरीब आदमी को राशन देने।
Every meaningful mission comes with challenges. Resources are not always available. Plans change unexpectedly. Timelines become difficult. Obstacles appear without warning. Yet ASF has never been defined by those challenges. It has been defined by its response to them, with patience, with teamwork, with resilience, and with faith. There are mornings that begin before sunrise, late nights spent preparing, long journeys, unexpected setbacks, moments when giving up would have been easier, yet the team continues moving forward. Because meaningful impact is rarely created through convenience, it is created through consistency, through people who choose to show up again and again, no matter how difficult the journey becomes. Some parts of this journey cannot be captured by a camera. They exist in silent prayers, in relieved smiles, in confidence restored, in burdens made lighter, in lives that quietly changed course because someone cared enough to help. These moments may never appear in reports, yet they represent the true legacy of the Arshad Salman Foundation. because the impact is not measured only by how much was distributed, it is measured by how many lives were touched, how many people felt supported, how many hearts found hope. For many people, Arshad Salman Foundation will always be connected to the vision of the man who brought it to life, a leader who chose service over comfort, who remained available when people needed guidance, who invested not only the resources but himself, his time, his energy, his attention, his care. Someone who never viewed people as numbers or responsibilities, but as individuals worthy of respect, encouragement, and support. A person who treats members like family, who celebrates their success, stands beside them during difficulties, and never allows them to face challenges alone. Years from now, people may not remember every event, every meeting, every initiative, but they will remember how they were treated. They will remember the encouragement they received, the confidence they gained, the opportunities they discovered, and the person who helped them believe they were capable of more. Because true leadership is not measured by how many people follow you, it is measured by how many people rise because of you. And perhaps that is the most powerful lesson of all, that service is not merely an act, it is a responsibility, a legacy, a way of life, a path that brings us closer to our Creator. Khidmat se Khuda. Arshad Salman Foundation.